Hi everyone, I'm Cheryl and welcome to the Sewing Room channel. And I went on another little shopping spree, a small spree, at Walmart to get some more supplies for the fall and Christmas holiday season, and also for upcoming tutorials on other things that I will be covering. So let's get started. Years ago, and I'm going to say probably 25 years ago, when I first started learning how to do quilt applique pieces, I used the wax paper technique. And so I'm going to be doing a demonstration on that in one of my upcoming tutorials. It's a really easy method. Many of you tell me you still use it today and you prefer it. So dig out your wax paper if you have any. If you don't want to buy a whole roll, then maybe you can borrow a little piece from a neighbor. A friend of mine a while back, my friend Sue, she's the only close friend I have who likes to sew like I do. And she showed me this cool little project that she did using Ziploc freezer bags. And it was a great way of carrying your tools and supplies if you're going to go take a class somewhere, or you're going to travel and you want to take those things with you. So if you've got some freezer bags, this is the best one to get. Don't use regular Ziploc bags. They must be freezer bags. I've been working on a tutorial in which I'm going to show the viewers how to make Halloween costumes. And I love making costumes. They're so much fun. There's not a lot of stitching in them because Halloween, they're only going to maybe wear it once, at the most twice, because they'll grow so much it won't fit them the following year. So on this one, it's going to be a mummy costume for my grandson. So you want something that's got long sleeves and long pants. I wouldn't buy a whole new outfit like I did because we didn't have anything else to use, so I had to buy this. Look for things on sale. But if you got old clothing, your child has old clothing, use that, and I'm going to show you how to do it easy to wear. You can easily remove the parts that are going to be stitched on here. Now this was a 2-pack thing. It was on the clearance section, but the other piece did not have long sleeves. So I'll just give this one to my grandson. If you're interested in doing the mummy costume, I recommend you look through your scrap pile of light colored fabrics, either white, off-white, a very pale gray, that you can use on this mummy costume. And if you are a quilter like I am, you probably have a lot of muslin in your stash, and that's what this is. I'm working on a witch costume. It's going to be really, really cute. And I wanted a black t-shirt. And on this black t-shirt, I'm going to be adding a little bit of trim up here at the top that goes with the bottom piece that I'm making. I'm also going to do some machine embroidery up here that says Hocus Pocus. I'm also going to show you how to make a little bottom of a costume for a princess costume. So, and it's going to have these three, and this is that little netting fabric. This has got a little bit of glitter on it. And I bought it, again, of course, at Walmart. And the reason why I bought it there, it's only 97 cents a yard. So it's a real bargain, and it's pretty easy to work with. So there's very little sewing on these skirts. Extreme, tiny, tiny amounts of sewing. This one is going to be a little fairy skirt. So what you want to do, if you want to do these, you want to look for t-shirts maybe in their wardrobe that kind of goes with the colors that you pick, and then you can kind of match the outfit together. In the witch's costume that I'm making, the little skirt that goes with it, I wanted to use black elastic, but I didn't have any, I couldn't find any. I finally went to Walmart and I found some there, because in that particular one, I wanted to use black. And by the way, I got the very last package they had, and this really isn't the size I wanted, but I bought it anyway because I had no other choice. So you could also, in some of the other skirts, if you want to make the little princess or fairy skirt, you could use white elastic. This is some 2-inch wide wire ribbon. Now I'm not using this in any of the Halloween costumes, but I bought this because I like to have extra wire ribbon that I use in some of my other projects. And also, if you like to make pretty bows for gifts, this is real easy and fun to work with. Now these little skinny ribbons I'm going to be using in the little costumes that I'm making. Now this is just an option. These were about $2, I think $1.97. And it's just going to be a little accent piece. And this, again, I want to stress, this is going to be really easy to make. Now, if you're interested in other beginner sewing projects, make sure you check below your YouTube screen for those video links. You just scroll down to the description section, click on Show More or the down arrow, and it will expand open and you will see the links. When you're down there looking at those links, also don't forget to follow me on Instagram and check out my Facebook page. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and happy sewing. If you like the Sewing Room channel, one of the best ways to show your support is to subscribe by clicking on that red subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on share to share this video with your friends. And make sure you click on the bell so you receive notifications for all my new videos. I'm Cheryl, this is Manny, and this is Scotty. See you next time.